after a hard-fought second T20 international where India found themselves stifled by South Africa's pace attack. The action now moves to Centurion for the third match of the series, a venue India hasn't played much at since 2009, and one where they have only tasted defeat in their last visit in 2018. India's batting in particular has been under the microscope. A total of just 124 runs in the second T20 international was not nearly enough, and the top order struggles against the South African pacers are becoming a major concern. Abhishek Sharma's lean patch continues, and with Centurion's quick, bouncy pitch expected to play similarly to Curbera, he will need a big score to keep his place at the top alongside Sanju Samson. Samson, though, has been in solid form and he looked to continue his strong run. Suryakumar Yadav, the skipper, has shown flashes of his brilliance but hasn't quite managed to anchor the innings. Pandya, on the other hand, struggled in the second game, taking 45 balls to score just 39 runs, a performance far below his usual destructive standards. On the bowling front, Arshdeep Singh and Avesh Khan have had contrasting performances. Arshdeep's 1 for 25 in Durban was promising, but his second outing, where he went for 41 runs, highlighted the pressure on India's pacers, especially in those key middle overs. India's spin duo, though, has been the standout. Varun Chakravarti's maiden fiffer and Ravi Bishnoi's consistency have given the team hope. With Centurion's pace and bounce, they could well hold the key to India's success once again. South Africa too will be looking to improve their batting. While they have won the second match, they too have struggled to get their senior batters firing. Skipper Aiden Markram, David Miller and Henry Klaasen are yet to make a significant impact in the series. Their middle order, though, has been rescued by the likes of Tristan Stubbs and Gerald, who have contributed crucial runs. South Africa will need their veterans to set up against India's spinners if they are to consolidate their advantage in this series. It's a crucial match for both teams as India seeks to regain their momentum and avoid a series loss. Centurion promises to be a high-octane contest, quick, bouncy conditions and two teams eager to dominate. Who will take the crucial step towards the victory? Can India bounce back or will South Africa continue their surge? The answer lies in this decisive third T20 international. Stay tuned as we bring you all the action from Centurion. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Cricket Next for more cricket updates.